Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn introduction of the quadrilaterals. Observe these figures. Which figures are open? Which figures are closed? Here 5 figures are on the screen. Which are closed figures? Which are open figures? So, first one is the closed figure. Second one is also closed figure. Last one is the open figure. What is the open figure? What is the closed figure? This one is also open figure. Open figures. This is also open figures. Open figures means the first point and end point both are different. If starting point and the end point of figure are not same, then the figure is an open figure. Observe these 4 figures. Here in the first figure, the starting point, end point are different. So this one is these 4 figures are the open figures. Okay. Next one, closed figures. Starting point, end point both are same. If starting point and end point of a figure are same, then the figure is a closed figure. Observe these 4 figures. Here in these 4 figures, exactly a position not given position, the starting point, end point. Okay, that figures are called closed figures. Simple closed figures. A connected curve that does not cross itself and ends at the same point where it begins. Observe these 4 figures are simple closed figures. The connected curve that does not cross itself, so ends at the same point where it begins. That one is the simple closed figures. Not simple closed figures. A connected curve that cross itself. For example, one side, second side, third side, fourth side. Second side and fourth side, these two are connected at the common point. So these are the not simple closed figure. Another one is, observe here, this is one also not simple closed figure because that curve is a starting point, end point other than another common point. Okay, this one is the not simple closed figures. Observe here on the screen 7 figures are given. What is the common among all these pictures? What is the common among all these figures? All these figures have 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. These are all also closed figures. 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. These are all 4 closed figures. 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. Quadrilaterals. Observe here. Second side, third side, fourth side. These 4 sides are connected at the common points. First side, end point, second side, starting point is common. Second side, end point, third side is common. Third side, end point is connected with the fourth side. Okay, this one is the simple closed figure. Simple closed figure with 4 line segments. A simple closed plane figure bounded by 4 line segments is called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a simple closed figure with 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. What is the sides? The line segments forming a quadrilateral are called its sides. The line segments forming a quadrilateral are called its sides. For example, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here 4 sides, AB line segment, BC, CD and DA. These 4 are the line segments are called sides of the quadrilateral. Next one, vertex and angle. The point of intersection of 2 consecutive sides. The point of intersection of 2 consecutive sides of a quadrilateral is called vertex. Here observe the figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB and AD, 2 adjacent sides, that is a common point is A. So this one is the vertex, B is the vertex, C is the vertex, D is the vertex. So ABCD quadrilateral has four vertices, namely A, B, C and D. These four are the vertices of quadrilateral. And four angles. Any quadrilateral has four interior angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. These are the four angles of the quadrilateral. Diagonals. What is the diagonal? The line segment joining the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral are called the diagonals of a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, A and C, these two are vertices opposite side. B and D are vertices of opposite vertices. These two joins AC and BD, these are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. AC and BD are the two diagonals of a quadrilateral. Okay. Next one. Adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. Two sides have a common point or common vertex. Two sides of a quadrilateral which have a common vertex. For example, B is the common vertex, AB and BC. AB and BC. These two are the adjacent sides. C is the common vertex, BC, CD. These two are the common side, adjacent sides. D is the common vertex, DA, DC. These two are the adjacent sides. Okay. So two sides have a common vertex. The two sides are called adjacent sides. Okay. AB, BC, one pair. BC, AB, AD is the second pair. Similarly, AD, DC, BC, CD, these are the four pairs of the adjacent sides. Next one, adjacent angles. Observe the figure. Two angles have a common side. For example, angle A, angle D. These two have common side is AD. So these two are the adjacent angles. AB is the common side. Observe here, AB is the common side. Then A and B, these two are adjacent angles. B and C are the adjacent angles. C and D are the adjacent angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral having a common side are called the pair of adjacent or consecutive angles. Adjacent or consecutive angles of a quadrilateral. Okay. For example, ABC and BCD. This one. One pair of adjacent angles. BC is the common side. Next one, opposite sides. Opposite sides means two sides have not common angle. Two sides of a quadrilateral which do not have a common vertex. Do not have a common vertex or common angle. That are opposite sides of the quadrilateral. Opposite sides of the quadrilateral. Here AB and CD, these two one pair. These two are the one pair of opposite sides. Always AB and CD, BC and AD are the opposite sides of the quadrilateral. Okay. Next one. Opposite angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral which do not have a common side. That are called opposite angles. Opposite angles. A and C, B and D. These two are the always opposite angles of quadrilateral ABCD. In the ABCD, AC and BD. AC and BD. These two are the opposite angles. Interior, exterior of a quadrilateral. Any quadrilateral is a closed figure. Any closed figure has divided the plane into three parts. In quadrilateral ABCD, which points are lie inside? Observe the figure. P and M. These two are the interior. Which points are lie outside the quadrilateral? Observe O, Q, L. L, O, Q. These 3 points are outside of the quadrilateral. Which points are lie on the quadrilateral? A, B, C, D, N. These 5 points are on the quadrilateral. Okay students? 2 points are interior P and M. 3 points are exterior LOQ, 5 points on the quadrilateral. Okay, any quadrilateral has divided the 3 parts, interior, exterior on the quadrilateral. Next one, convex quadrilateral, concave quadrilateral. Convex and concave. For example, I can take one of the quadrilateral ABCD. 2 points are interior L and M. Join these 2 points with the line segment L and M. Okay. Quadrilateral ABCD is said to be a convex quadrilateral if all line segments joining points for which the line segment joining them falls in the exterior of the quadrilateral. Okay, all points are interior of the quadrilateral and join the points. That one line segment is also interior of the quadrilateral. That one is the convex quadrilateral. Next one, concave. Here any one of the diagonal is not in the interior of the quadrilateral. It is called a concave quadrilateral. Any one of the diagonal is not in the interior of the quadrilateral. That is called concave quadrilateral. Other one is 2 points, any 2 points on interior of the quadrilateral, join them. For example, P and Q. These 2 points are take in the interior of the quadrilateral, join with the line segment. Join with the line segments. All points of the line segments not interior of the quadrilateral. All points on the line segments not interior of the quadrilateral. So therefore this one is the concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. Okay. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AC is outside of the quadrilateral. Then ABCD is a concave quadrilateral. This one is the one of the definition. Another one definition is, in convex quadrilateral, measure of each angle is less than 180 degrees. Each angle is less than 180 degrees. That one is called convex quadrilateral. One angle is more than 180. One angle is more than 180 degrees. Remaining 3 angles are less than 180 degrees. That is the concave quadrilateral. Here observe here. This angle is second figure. This angle is more than 180 degrees. So therefore this one is the concave. First one is the convex quadrilateral. Okay students. This is the second definition. Thank you students. In this video we learn quadrilateral and sides, angles, diagonals, convex and concave quadrilaterals. Next video we learn types of quadrilaterals. Okay, thank you.